Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen, I fought for my Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 11th of March 2017. I'm putting up another video regarding small micro cap trading accounts. These are investment accounts, of course, that you can certainly learn from very, very low micro trades to help you understand the market and help you also practice so you can learn how to trade some of your money for more money from the stock market. It's simple as that. Let's take you to the platform. Now this is the platform that I have been trading on, and this is specifically for low income that have very low minimal amount of money to invest. And as you can see down the bottom here, this particular account I funded $30 into it, but this is US dollars. The $30 is Australian dollars, of course. And I've been trading this account of few cents trades. As you can see, the size is probably only 10 cents here, just to give you a bit of an idea. 0.10 is probably 10 cents, and so far I've capitalized on 24 cents. That's double my money. Very small. It's an area where you can certainly practice and practice and practice with real. This is real money. This is a real money account. Have a look up here. And using these platforms to teach you using micro trades to help you gauge the market, where the market's gets, or what sort of product or stocks to trade with. And it's a really great system to apply. And this, I guess this video is really about practice. Just practice with real money, so you can have a feel. The numbers, not charts. These are real numbers now that you're going to reflect on. These are few cents, of course, but if you imagine if they were dollars, then you know you'd be in great money. But in essence, why am I trading only such a small amount of money? Some of the trades I make only probably a few cents, like even 1 cent or 2 cents. Now, some of those practices is to gauge where the asset is moving, because I can't necessarily read the market nor can anybody else. What we are doing is following certain trend. If trend means, if you have a look at this particular asset, which is Euro, USD, it's going uphill. It's going upwards. Even though it's got these up and downs, it doesn't matter. Overall, it's going up since the 9th of March. That's called a trend. If you can pick a trend of any assets or any product or stock, then you will make money. Whether the product is going up, or let me show it to you a little bit more. Whether the product or the asset or the stock is going up or coming down, you can make money on either directions. But if you can pick a trend, you will do well. For example, here's a trend here. Let's work on this particular trend. Around about the 16th of February, this trend was heading down to what is called a put or a buy position. If you spotted this trend around about this area in the beginning, by the 22nd of February, that's about 6 days later, you have made a substantial amount of money from this downward trend. Now, that's all basically what you need to know about these trading platform and trading accounts. All these small peaks here, you can make money, of course, in these small ones, but the longer term trending seems to produce a far greater income, especially, as I say, for small cap or small account. If you follow these religiously, just practice, just invest a little bit amount of money into one of these trading platform. I'm going to put a link down the bottom of this video where you can actually join one of these platform and practice. And not only practice, you will capitalize some good money if you do it properly and you follow religiously some of these practices that I'm going to continue with this video in a moment. Now, try not to trade live actions, meaning if it's going up in a short space of time, like this couple of candlesticks, try not to trade on a short-term trend, but try and pick a long-term trend where you really capitalize on the bigger money in that area. An active trader sometimes they're too busy watching the charts going up and down and trading on those smaller movements. But the real trader are looking for a long-term trade. This particular screen has been opened up at a 4-hour interval. Let's have a look at the day interval at this particular asset, Euro USD. If you have a look here throughout December last year to today, it looks pretty flat. That's 16th of December to 6th of March. Totally flat, which is useless in the too long term. Don't take my word for it, of course, but I'm just using the charts to give us some sort of gauge or insight to where this particular asset is moving. However, if we have a look back here a bit further, let me take this a week. Back down here, there was a big, huge drop, big trending. But as it went on through 2015 to 2016, that's today, it's just relative, just going up and down. Hasn't really done anything. It's sort of flat. But still, we can make money on these short-term trends. Short-term trends might only last for about 3-4 days or even a day. It don't last up to a week. So we'll look at the month. Here's a big one. Big trending there, which started in March and ended in November. So if you bought this product or opened up a open position in March 2014, by November same year, you would have capitalized a huge amount of money in that sense. Remember, that's long-term trend. You're not worried about the short ups. Where we go. We're not worried about these ups and down. All you're really looking for is that big long trending. But that big long trending, which is March to November, would have been a substantial amount of payout for you. But anyway, back to small caps. Now, the other important issues to remember, if you're trading in small caps, now you only got to get 10 cents back from your investment, then you have doubled your money. But I made here, as you can see, I've doubled my money to 20 cents, then I made my money back. That gives you the feel, the real feel that money actually can make money. But bear in mind also, whatever you put in, if you double or triple it, be happy with that. Close the trade and you'll get that 23 cents in your account and the balance will add up. If you trade in these small caps, trust me, you will get a feel for how the market is, how things work, how the platform works, and which button to push. Don't get lost too much with all these fancy buttons. At the end of the day, if you open up a trade, I put these trades on buy. All you want at the end of the day is to get these numbers higher. If they're going lower, you'll have a minus. Hold on, I've got some here with a minus on it. If it's got a minus on it, close it off at a certain amount of money that you're prepared to lose. Otherwise, sometimes just let it roll over because it will come back and put you in a positive position. But anyway, use the system. Remember, there'll be a link down the bottom here for you to join these platforms. And if you do need anything, please call me, contact me. My details will be down there also, so I can help you understand how these small cap investment can really work for you in bigger dollars. Now, just imagine if that was $250, there'd be a big amount over here also. So it's relative to big amounts. So if you practice with the small amounts, so if you lost, say, $30 of your investment, you haven't lost your whole packet, your day packet. So small investment in your practices is the greatest investment that you can give yourself. But anyway, trade well, trade perfectly, stay away from scams, and trade with a lot and lots and lots of practices. Anyway, Stephen I. Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. This is the weekend. There's no trading today. Remember that. No trading in a weekend. All the markets are closed. But I'm just showing you today in the weekend from the charts of yesterday. So it might not be relative to you, but I'm using historical data to help you. And also to encourage you, investment in some of these high frequency trading platform. It's worth trillions and trillions of dollars. You can get your fair share of it as long as you do your practice. Okay, see when I fought for My Ford Fortune. Stay away from scams. God bless you. We'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.